So this is the Euro Pound hypothetical buy analysis for Friday the 20th of October. Now, it is a hypothetical buy analysis. This analysis is based on the daily chart and this indicator, which provides a buy recommendations based on the red triangle and sell recommendation based on the black triangle. This analysis is not to be interpreted as investment or trading advice. It is purely hypothetical, and it is purely based on the daily charts and the indicator used. So this system using this indicator, the stop would be placed at the low of the signal candle. In this case, it would be the stop would be placed at 89.24, and let's just see. So the stop will be placed at 89.24, and that's where the stop for this trade would be. So we'd be targeting all the way up here, and that's up at near 93. Yes, we'll be targeting the most recent highs up at 93. Now, what's also supporting this buy recommendation? So we had our highs up here and we've posted our lows up here, but what supports it, which would suggest that it is a good trade possibly, would be this higher low here. This higher low here of the 20 period moving average potentially sees prices trade all the way upwards towards that 93 level. And let's just clean these charts up a bit. Let's just get this cards changed. Yes, so we've had our lows over here, we've had our high lows up here, and we would look poised to test up there at 93. Now, at the moment, we are up into an area where we did have some selling in the past, most recently on the 12th, and we do also have this 50 period moving average, which could potentially act as resistance, but a successful navigation of which we would see prices move up to the 93 level. So let's just have a look at other time frames to see if we have further clues which supports the prices. So as can be seen here on the weekly time frame, we are clearly in an uptrend because we've had our lows there, higher lows there, had a bit of consolidation there, over there after this sell-off from up here. But again, we've come down and we appear to have posted higher lows again. We did have a bit of a double top in and around that area there, so up at 92. We'll look to see how prices behave up there, up at 92. Said there quite too often now. We have to see how prices behave up at 92 before moving up to 93. But we've had a series of higher lows, especially on this weekly time frame, which is conducive to bullish price action. Now, we did have a bit of a sell-off in late September, well, in the month of September. So we have to be cautious in and around this 90, in around the 92 level, near 93. So if I just clear this chart up a bit and go out to the monthly chart to see, yeah, let's go out to the monthly chart, and here we are on the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, we did have the selling up. If we did have the selling over here, we did have the selling in 2016 in October, and again we had some selling pretty much in the month of September. We had quite a lot of selling. We had a bit of an engulfing candle, but overall, it's clear from looking at the chart that we are in a bit of an uptrend on the euro against the pound, because we've had lows, we've had higher lows, and we had a bit of consolidation, which was another higher low, and we've pushed up. So we potentially look at 93 being a level, and also over here on the left of the chart. Let's just see. Again, beyond 93, we're looking at 94.11. 94.11 was it? Yeah, so we're looking at in and around the 94.11 for another potential area where we might see some resistance. Beyond that, we'll be looking at 94, 95 essentially, and if we do go above, we'll be looking at 98. That's the extent. That was pretty much the highs of the euro against the pound, all the way back in December of 2008. So that pretty much should wrap up the end of day analysis by recommendation on the euro pound. Again, remember, it is merely is purely hypothetical, and it does not constitute investment or trading advice. So LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.